G'day folks, Aaron here from 4x4 East Coast. Now for a little while I've been shooting off the GoPro and also been using the Canon 80D with a little fluffy bloody mic on it, Rode mic. Usually I'll use this GoPro bloody pole thing, and when you've got the GoPro in the skeleton case, it covers up all the bloody microphones. There's 3 microphones on here. Hang on, I'll just move you to the other camera. Righto, like I was saying, there's 3 microphones. There's one on the top there. Can you focus on that? There's one on the side, and there's, you see that? There's one on that side, right there. That's the only one that's not covered up when you put it in this. Now I'm sure everybody out there has had the same problem, and they've probably already fixed it. I've been looking at getting maybe the Sony action cam to put on the side of my helmet, and I thought, no, why not try and fix the bloody microphone on this? So looked up a couple of YouTube videos, and lo and behold, it's already been done. So when you put it in the skeleton mount, that top one, the top microphone there is all covered up. This one here, there's holes for it. There's holes for this microphone here, as you know, but they don't bloody line up with anything. And this one here, it's the only one, can't see, it is the only one, hang on, focus, it's the only microphone that's not covered up when you put it in this. Oh. So today I'm going to bloody fix that. Alright, let's see how we go. Okey-doke, so I've dismounted the mount from the bloody GoPro pole, and I've put a 3.5mm drill bit in the old Ryobi drill. I think that's just over 1/8. It was the only drill bit I could find that was close to the size that I wanted. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to drill out that little hole, and then we've got to elongate it this way, I think. Let's have a look. Alright, so I've drilled that out. You can see that there, it's made it a bit bigger. So now, now we've got to go towards the back of the camera, and what I'll do, I'll just put the drill bit in, I'll put it on high speed, and elongate it back and forth, and I'm pretty sure it's got to go backwards. Rightio. That's the first one done. You're probably not going to be able to see that. The little microphone is right at the back of that hole. When you click it in, it's maybe 1.5 millimeters from the back of the hole that I just made. So let's try it and do the top one. Now the top one, we'll just take a little bit out. Oh, hang on. Put you in the camera. We'll just take a little bit out of there, near the record button, and that should uncover it. There we go. Oh, that ain't bloody perfect. Now up the top, I don't know if you can, bloody focus. There's the little notch I took out. Hang on, I'll take the camera out. Righto, you can see that a bit better. Righto, focus. There. Righto, there we go, we can just see that little notch. I'll take you down to the GoPro. Righto, see there, you can just see the little notch that I've taken out of there. You can see it just a little bit from there, that angle. Yeah, that just allows the microphone to be uncovered while it's in the skeleton housing. Let's see how well it sounds. Now there you go, I'll just give that a little bit of a clean up on the inside with a bit of sandpaper. I'll just take all the burrs off it. Alright, it's not pretty, but I think it'll work. So we put the GoPro back in. Now, we'll put it back in here. Now the problem I used to have when it was on this pole, every time you move the pole you'd hear it creaking through the camera. You hear this creaking. I don't know whether now that the plastic's not on those holes, whether that will fix the problem or what, but I'll open this up. I really like this pole. It's bloody good. You can move it at any angle. So that is how it sounds with those little notches taken out, and the camera and the microphones not covered up by the bloody skeleton housing. So on the next video, you'll see me mount the GoPro to my motorbike helmet, and we'll give it a test out on the tracks. Now I know riding on the road, if I have the GoPro going, there'll be a lot of wind noise. I know that. But if I take it out the bush and we're just riding slow, at least you may be able to hear me talking. So rightio, thank you very much for watching this video. It's only a short video today. I haven't had a video up in a bloody month or so. Been a bit slack, been riding me bloody bike. Trying to get ready for me peas test. So righto, thanks for watching. Show me some love and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.